Hello everyone. Today, I'll review an amazing kitchen tool, the Magabeli Cast Iron Cleaner. This chainmail scrubber is specially designed for cast iron skillets, woks, pots, and pans. If you're looking for an effective and convenient way to clean your cookware, this could be the perfect solution. Let's dive into the details. About the product and brand. Magabeli is a renowned brand known for creating high-quality and durable products. The 8-inch by 6-inch rectangle chain metal scrubber is made with premium 316 stainless steel, offering style, efficiency, and longevity. It is designed to be safe for your cast iron, stainless steel, and other hard surfaces while effectively removing stubborn stains. Key features. 1. High-quality stainless steel. Made from 316 premium stainless steel, this scrubber is rust-proof and highly durable. 2. Easy-to-use chainmail design. The chainmail pattern makes scrubbing effortless while preserving the seasoning or finish of your cookware. 3. Compact size with hanging ring. Its 8-inch by 6-inch size fits perfectly in your hand, and the attached hanging ring ensures easy storage. 4. Multi-purpose usage. Ideal for cleaning cast iron skillets, woks, pans, grills, and other hard surfaces. 5. Eco-friendly and chemical-free cleaning. It requires no chemicals, just water, to effectively clean your cookware, making it safe for your health and the environment. Benefits of use. Effortless cleaning, quickly removes tough grease and food residues. Eco-friendly, no need for harmful chemicals. Long-lasting, built to last for years of use. How to use. 1. Prepare the scrubber, hold the chainmail scrubber in your hand. 2. Wet the surface, use warm water on your cookware. No soap is required unless desired. 3. Scrub gently, move the scrubber in a circular motion over the surface to remove food particles and grease. 4. Rinse and dry, once cleaned, rinse your cookware and dry it thoroughly to prevent rust. 5. Clean the scrubber, rinse the scrubber with warm water, and hang it using the attached ring for easy storage. Amazon customer reviews. The Magabeli Cast Iron Cleaner has received excellent feedback on Amazon. Here's what some customers have said. 5-star review, amazing product. I never imagined cleaning my cast iron skillet could be this easy. 4-star review, very effective, but it feels a little slippery during use. 3-star review, works well, but feels small for larger pans. Customer rating. This scrubber currently holds an average 4.7-star rating on Amazon, reflecting its quality and effectiveness. Expert opinion. This product is perfect for anyone who owns cast iron cookware and wants to maintain it effectively. It is easy to use, durable, and eco-friendly, making it an excellent investment for your kitchen. That's all for today, folks. Maintaining your cast iron cookware has never been easier. The Magabeli Cast Iron Cleaner can truly simplify your kitchen cleaning routine. If you're interested in this product, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful reviews. See you in the next video.